Wayne. Wayne. Wayne, Dad's calling us. Wayne. Hello?
What the fuck's your problem?
Dad's calling us.
Well, you didn't have to scream into my ear like that.
We'll fucking listen next time then.
Wayne, please. Your sister was just trying to get your attention for me.
Sorry.
Should be.
All right, both of you, come over here for a sec. All right. You guys know what date today is?
Day before Chinese New Year.
That's right. Wayne, you knew that, right?
Of course, Dad.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
All right, then you guys know how important it is to get ourselves ready for the new year. Now, I know we kind of been letting it go the last couple of years, but this year's gonna be different. Now, I really wanted to take the day off to help you guys, but one sec. Ah, shit. Shoot. I gotta run. Look, I'm gonna need you guys to take care of the house. All right? Amy, go to Chinatown, pick up the decorations.
Dad.
Okay.
Wayne, gonna need you to clean the house, the whole thing.
But Dad, I'm having the guys over today. We're practicing for Battle of the Bands. I told you that. Just have Amy do it.
This is something you need to do.
It's really not.
Well, you know what happens if you don't clean the house before the new year. The lion's gonna come and eat you.
I'm not a kid anymore. That's not gonna work. This is my band we're talking about.
It's gonna be the year of the dog this year. It's the year Ma was born under. Anyway, it's tradition. Amy, here's some money.
Sweet.
I'm gonna be home by 7. Turkey.
Have a safe day, Dad.
It's gonna be a great year.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, man.
Oh, God.
Wayne,
What?
are you kidding right now? What are they doing here?
Didn't I just say they're coming over for band practice?
Hey, Amy.
Don't be weird. Sup, Amy?
So you're not gonna clean the house?
I can clean the house after we practice.
I honestly cannot believe you. You're really letting Dad down.
Don't you have somewhere to be right now?
Yeah, Chinatown.
Okay, then go.
Think about Mom.
Dude, what's going on?
I'm sorry, you guys, but I need to get the house ready. This whole Chinese New Year thing, it's a tradition.
But what about the battle?
The Battle of the Bands. I mean, that could be tradition.
You know what, guys? I'll just see you guys Monday.
All right,
Alright.
man.
See ya.
Bye.
friends.
They have to leave.
Oh, come here.
Get off me!
Hey. I'm proud of you, okay?
Don't mention this again.
Come on, we got work to do.
恭喜发财. It's gonna be a great year.